Hi everyone, welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start files on Google Drive. So if you have an important file on Google Drive and you probably often frequently open it, I'm going to suggest you to start it because it will be easy to find, and I'm going to show you how to start the file. So this, I've already opened my Google Drive, and what you need to do is right click on the file, for example this one, and then here at the option you can just click on the add to start. Just like that, the file has been added to start, and if you want to add another file, just do the exact steps. For example this one, and then add to start. And if you want to find the file, you just go to the left panel here and go to the start menu, click on this, and you'll find the files that you've been added to the start. It's so easy, right? Okay, so that's it for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you guys.